of plenty. Oh, toss us up to a YouTuber, a friend of humanity. Toss us up to a YouTuber, oh valley of plenty, oh valley of plenty. Oh, toss us up to a YouTuber, oh valley of plenty. Toss us up to a YouTuber, oh valley of plenty, oh valley of plenty. Oh, toss us up to a YouTuber, a friend of humanity.
When a humble bard graced a ride along with Geralt of Rivia, along came this song from when the white wolf fought a silver-tongued devil. His army of elves, at his hooves did they revel. Toss us up to your YouTuber, oh valley of plenty, oh valley of plenty. Oh, they came after me with masterful deceit, broke down my loot, and they kicked in my teeth, while the devil's horns minced our tender meat. And so cried the Witcher, he can't be bleed. Toss us